What's good, YouTube? It's your boy LS Crazy here, coming back with another video. Today we had installed of the Pedders coilovers that I was telling you guys about in my last video. So this video is going to be a short and sweet installation. Let's go. So we got the coilover installed. I'm gonna give you a brief rundown. Brief rundown of what I had to do. Okay, so basically, with the Pedders coilovers, they pretty much the front already came assembled. So just take this off. 24 millimeter. Take this off. This is your little dampening knob. So this won't. You have to screw this off. So it's your dampening knob. So you take this off, 24 millimeter. This is what holds the coilover up. So before you take that off, you got to take these off, which are 22. So 22 millimeter. Take these two off. But before you take these two off, you got to be careful. You got to take this end link off first, because if you don't, once you drop all this shit down, you're gonna have a lot of tension on this. So you need to take this end link out first. Take the end link out, then you take these two out. Jack the car up on both sides in the front, so that way you got the tension off your sway bar also. Yeah, and then once you take the end link out, you take these two out, and then you're ready to drop her. Alright guys, we got the Pedders coilovers installed. As you can see, it's sitting pretty low. This is pretty good. It's not too low, just right. Then compared to the back, a lot of room. I haven't done the back yet. Back coilovers, only the front. Right now I got the dampening set on the front coilovers, 5 clicks from soft. Yeah, it seems pretty good. I'm gonna still adjust it, but that's the stance of it right now. You guys tell me how you like it. What do you think about the look? Also guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. That will really help the channel out. All the help and support from you guys are truly appreciated and much needed. Any comments y'all guys have, leave it down below, and I will answer, answer the comments quickly as I can. Also, any questions you guys might have related to the Pedders coilovers, leave a comment below. I will be doing the rear shortly, and I will be doing hopefully an installation video of that. I got a lot of things going on right now. Like I said guys, I appreciate you guys for watching, taking your time and watching this channel and leaving all the likes and comments you guys do. I want to thank you guys for doing that. Hey, we got more content coming. I want to grow this channel, make this channel become a big YouTube channel. So once again guys, thank you. This is 2020 and we're going up this year. Posting more content. I got the cam coming up April. I will have that installed in April, so you guys be on the lookout for that video. This thing's gonna sound mean once I get done with the cam, the Z01 converter, the 327 rear end, and then my LSA swap. Is gonna be a bad G8. So like I said guys, the more you like and the more subscribers I get, the more that's gonna feed me to do more content for this channel. And also another thing I have coming to this channel, I'm going to be doing some car reviews also. I got a car that I want to review. It's a bad car. I've been talking to the guy, and he's agreed to let me review his car. So we just got to set up a good time, and we'll have a good video of that. Also, I need input, guys. You know, leave me comments below if you would like to see me do reviews of other cars, other builds and stuff like that to the channel. It's all about you guys, helping to get you guys what you like to see, as well as you know, growing the channel. So it's not just about the videos I like to post. I like to post stuff that you guys like. So leave a comment below. You know, I'm a normal guy just like everybody else. I get up, I put one shoe on at a time just like you do. Anything you guys would like, leave a comment below. We can have a conversation about it. You know, I'm one of those type of people, man. I'll reach back out to my subscribers, man, because that's just how I am. You know, I'm just a real type of person. So like I said, I ain't gonna hold you guys up, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we're out of here.